Welcome on into Galactic Wisdom Way Shower, where we nurture the seeds of your soul. I am here with E-Talk. Let's tend to your rainbow seed. This is a Rainbowseed Maintenance reading for the week. If this energy has happened upon you, know that you very well could be continuing to recalibrate to this energy. This reading is to align your soul with your highest path. Let's check out what the theme of this week's light body focus is. Especially, we have a lot of planetary transits happening this week, so brace yourself for lots of change. Meditate, meditate. I'm going to put a shameless plug. There are Monday meditations on Being Cosmic Chaos that I offer. They are guided activations. But this is saying to return to the tranquil home within yourself. And if you need assistance, there are not only my guided meditations, but there are so many other meditations out there, whether it be YouTube, TikTok, Instahammy, all the socials, all the platforms have some form of meditation. Even if, actually, where is it? I love this book. Oh, not this one. This one's yoga. They're these super awesome chunky books. I don't believe they're by the same person, but I just love how small and handy dandy they are. When I was younger and getting into all of this, well, share and tell, these little books came in handy. The yoga, I was 12 when I picked this book up. These books up, but the 1001 meditations, amazing. Maybe we can try this challenge of doing 1,100, 1001. I don't know why that was so difficult to say. Meditations, but even if you begin at meditating once a week, just to start up your day and get out of the limitations that your physical vessel may pressure you in. But this book is brilliant for starting a new practice like that. Or maybe you have your own practice and it's time to kick it up a notch. I'm really loving how lately these Rainbowseed Maintenance readings have been splitting off into two groups. So I have two very distinguished groups of people, and it's almost like the second group is what the first group can look forward to. So first group, start your meditative path. Second group, you have started your path, but it's time to kick it up a notch. I've said this so many times, where don't only meditate. When you are done meditating, record it. And even be open to working with that answer. Take whatever you gathered from that meditation and apply it to your life. And I'm not going to go too much into detail because that sounds like an entire series. So now let's check out where you are being upgraded energetically. For my peeps that are not pros at meditating, for my beginner meditative peeps, energetically, you are being upgraded to the tree of life. Yes, yes, yes. You're being upgraded to channel energy now. You're being upgraded to clear energies. I feel as though meditation is going to be a form for you not to only channel frequencies, but also a form for you to clear energies, which, I mean, is perfect when you come home or when you start your day to have a meditation to cleanse and clear those frequencies and to meditate with the tree of life. In my younger days, I had this tree of life crystal necklace that I wore constantly, and there was just something about the way it held frequencies, that circle, that balancing of energy. So a lot of different ways to utilize the tree of life. You can even look for a tree of life meditation. Now let's check out for my beings that are already meditating. You are a grandmaster meditator, better than me shuffling these cards at the moment. Let's see here. Cities of light. You are entering a family of light. Oh, this is what you guys get to look forward to. First, it's channeling and clearing your light and recognizing you are light, to being around your family of light. So now it's time to, this is where I'm seeing meditate with very specific beings, meditate to very specific areas, even have a meditation going into inner earth. Ooh. This holds a lot of resonance. This holds a lot of, you aren't alone anymore. You aren't alone anymore. Now let's see what chakra needs support for my first group. What chakra needs support? Your high heart chakra. My being's just getting started. Your high heart chakra, this is connected to Venus. This is connected to your ability to receive love. And that is exactly what meditation is. I love pairing prayer and meditation together. Prayer is you releasing love. You're releasing an invocation. You are the one communicating to universe, to source, to creator, to God frequency. Meditation, you are receiving the message. You are being the receiver. Now, working with pink crystals can really assist. Working with malachite can really assist with that higher heart. Working with the Taurus sign. So looking for when the moon is in Taurus and having those be very important meditation days. Let's check out for my group that is finding their light family. Ooh, that solar plexus. This makes so much sense that your solar plexus needs support, because it is quite literally where beings plug into you. When we talk, especially in shamanism, about cords, so a term tossed around is cord cutting. That came from the shamanic notion that there are energetic cords that link into you, and they are linking into your solar plexus. And if you wanted to disconnect, you would cut the cord. If you've been working with me long enough, you know I don't do cutting of cords. They thin out or they thicken. My main frame around that is through quantum healing and quantum physics, where nothing ceases to exist. It only changes form. It alchemizes. It transcends. And it's beautiful because your family of light, you are ready to thicken that cord. It's not that they're not there. They're there tapping in and supporting you. But now it's time to thicken the cord through meditation. Oh, that's lovely. Now let's see who is coming through. What guide is coming through to support my first group that is just beginning their meditative practice? Blue ray beings. They're going to assist you with bridging your ability to get into that meditative state. I would definitely have water sounds around. If you can have the Metatron, if you can kind of see that shape there. This is a geometric shape that really assists. But these Blu-ray beings, they have come in the form of blue avian beings. They've come in the form of blue orbs. They've come in the form of even blue flowers, they're showing me. But they are wanting to assist in helping you maintain a meditative practice, which is very kind of them. But you need to be receptive of their assistance. You need to be the one to allow them into your space. Now, my group that is tapping into their light family, that is tapping into thickening their connection with higher frequencies. Crystal child, this makes so much sense. So these are the crystal beings. This is letting me know that it is time to allow, whether you have crystals or not, allow those crystals into your meditative practice, because there is at least one type of crystal that is connected to your family. And I'm also seeing that your light family reincarnated as that type of crystal mineral on this earth. That is how they integrated what it means to exist upon our beautiful planet, is through being a stone. And you'll see it if you collect crystals or minerals or rocks or stones. You may very well see a pattern of ones that you are attracted to, and it's because it carries your family's light signature. So allow those stones to be around you while you are meditating with your family. They're going to help you. Now let's check out what self-care will integrate these shifts. Group 1, Realm Bridger. So we have a lot of bridges, because when you aren't meditating or consciously aware that you're meditating, because you very likely could be meditating while you're driving, you could be meditating while you draw, you could be meditating while you fold the laundry, or you could be meditating while a boring show is on. But the Realm Bridger, this is speaking about the connection of your conscious life and your subconscious life. The behind the scenes of what your higher selves and spirit guides are doing, and the physical 3D scenery. There is a bridge being connected. Now, allow that bridge to connect. Don't fear that bridge, cross it. Allow the blue beings to cross that bridge with you. And I'll say it, it's okay to hold the blue being's hand or wing or orb light, whatever that looks like. It is okay, because they are guiding you to a higher frequency. Now, what about the beings that are tapping into their light family? What is happening? Stepping through. Whew. I love that there's bluebirds on here, by the way. Stepping through. I have had this deck for a very long time, and I have never seen this card. Never seen this card. So we have the Merkaba in the center of the heart, and that has been known to be your spiritual vehicle. It is where your light travels, especially while you meditate, astral project. It is beautiful that this is coming through, because while you are meditating, I feel as though you're tapping into astral projection, and your light family is coming through, and you are coming through as physical as ever to them as well. And we can see it coming out of this lotus, and it's so divine. The lotus is all about enlightenment. Graceful enlightenment is happening now, and you're going to experience what it is to officially be out of the mud. It's as if there is no more rising above, you only exist in the above. This is your realization that you are on heaven, and that your spirit is utilizing this physical body as a vehicle. There is that connection, and now you are allowing and connecting with those family members of light. Oh, that's beautiful. That is your Rainbowseed Maintenance for the week. Thank you for walking this wisdom path with me. Keep tending to your seeds, whether it be angel seed, star seed, earth seed. Oh. And may your journey be guided by being human with spirit. And know that whatever happens in meditation, it's geared towards trusting your frequency, trusting your light. Tend to your seeds, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.